It is a sad news to hear the death of the legend, the great Shane Warne, the god of spin. Condolence to his family and friends. The first thing which attracts us all towards Shane Warne is his smooth action and massive turn and the aggressive attitude which was hard to find earlier from a spinner. In our childhood days, we would have definitely tried his action once. Some of his insights showed why he was so successful in his career is his love and obsession to excel with the ball. Who will forget the ball of century getting out Mike getting which almost turned outside the leg and clipping off the off stick. Warne has always been known for the massive spin and the rip which he was putting onto the ball and deceiving the batsman in the air. But one delivery which amazed the cricketing world was the flipper, where the ball be released in front of the arm and the ball will zip through to the stumps. 90% of the batsmen failed to read it, and by the time they knew it, it was too late to handle. The first time Shane was introduced to the world of flipper was by Jack Potter, who is a very influential cricketer in Australia. In the 1990s, Jack was highly surprised by seeing the massive turn and bounce Warne used to get, and he wanted to add some more varieties to Warne's bowling. In Shane Warne's biography, No Spin, he almost bowled through 1,000 overs in improving his skills and believed if we want to excel in a particular field, we need to at least dedicate 10,000 hours. This shows his obsession to become the greatest spin bowler of the world. After practicing the flipper deliveries continuously for 3 days, he called Jack Potter to show his new variety of delivery which added to his bags. And this allowed him to take more than 1,000 international wickets, a true gem of skills.
This is a confident shout and they've got him this time. Umpire Shepherd wasn't going to allow him to get away with that. And Warne, he's really worked hard to get his man here. He started on leg stump, he's gone to off stump. And I think he's come with a probably an overspinner going straight on. And Umpire Shepherd has decided that one.